23. If 10 grams of a radioactive element P decays to 0.625 grams in 4.5 10 to the power 2 years, what is the half-life of P? A. 2.25 times 10 to the power 2 years. B. 4.5 times 10 to the power 2 years. C. 1.125 times 10 to the power 2 years. D. 0.5625 times 10 to the power 2 years. The correct answer is C. 1.125 times 10 to the power 2 years. Explanation. So we have the starting mass to be 10 grams. So half-life is the total time divided by number of halves. So do this like a countdown, okay? The countdown from 10 grams, the first half-life of 10 grams you divide by 2 will give you 5 grams. 5 grams, the second half-life will be 2.5 grams. 2.5 grams, the third half-life gives you 1.25 grams. And then the fourth half-life gives you 1.25 divided by 2 is 0.625 grams. So it took 4 half-lives for the 10 gram sample to decay to 0.625 grams in the question. Okay, now take the 450 years. 4.5 times 10 to the power 2 years is the same as 450 years and divided by 4. So 4.5 times 10 to the power 2 years divided by 4, which is the same as 450 years divided by 4, you get 112.5 years, okay, or which is the same as 1.125 times 10 power 2 years.